Hi everyone! Today on How to Craft, we're going to make our very own bath bombs. This is a fun experiment for kids and adults, and along the way, we'll learn about a cool chemical reaction. Let's get started! Here's what you need: baking soda, citric acid, cornstarch, Epsom salt, witch hazel, essential oil, food coloring, coconut oil, a mixing bowl, molds, measuring cup, and spoon. In a mixing bowl, add half a cup of baking soda, a quarter cup of citric acid, a quarter cup of cornstarch, and a quarter cup of Epsom salt. These are our dry ingredients. Give them a good stir so they're evenly mixed. In a separate small bowl, combine 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, a few drops of essential oil for scent, I chose lavender, and a couple drops of food coloring if you want to add some color. And then you mix. Now comes the fun part. Slowly add the wet ingredients to the dry mix. Do this a little at a time, stirring constantly so it doesn't start fizzing too early. If the mixture feels too dry, lightly spray it with witch hazel. The texture you want is like damp sand. It should hold together when you press it. Once your mixture is ready, pack it firmly into your mold. You can use a silicone mold, a cupcake liner, or even a plastic ornament. Press it down really well so it stays together. Now, we'll let our bath bombs dry for at least 24 hours. Once they're hardened, they're ready to use. Since I used a cupcake mold for my bath bomb, I added a topping of foam soap to make it look more fun. Let's test one. Drop your bath bomb into a bowl of warm water and watch what happens. It fizzes and bubbles, just like in the bath. So why does this happen? It's actually a chemical reaction. The baking soda is a base, and the citric acid is, well, an acid. When they touch water, they react together to make carbon dioxide gas. That's the fizzing bubbles you see. At the same time, your bath bomb releases color, scent, and soothing oils into the water, turning your bath into a fizzy, relaxing spa experience. And that's it! You've made your own custom bath bomb and learned about an acid-base reaction at the same time. Have fun experimenting with different scents and colors. See you next time on How to Craft. Bye bye!